She's got a brain bleed. This is a terminal condition. She's only got about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna do my best. I didn't even know where I was. I couldn't tell where I was on the court. And my mom came in and said, she's having an aneurysm. Let's get her to the emergency room right now.
They rushed Mallory to an emergency surgery in Wichita Falls.
We had a police escort. I became stiff. I postured. Mom said, drive faster. I don't know if she's with us anymore.
Mallory collapsed after a game against Midwestern State with a brain bleed.
Everyone had their sleeves up, ready to fight for me. What did the waiting room look like for that 4 hours and 6 hours? Boyfriend of the year, not knowing if I would know his name. She's alive, but barely. Everything that I just experienced, physical, mental, that all leads to the story of the cross.